Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you and sharing with you my process of doing this homework assignment. This was my first assignment of the school year, and let's just say I was a bit rusty and in like a little bit of art block because I don't remember drawing a lot during the summertime, or if I drew at all. Honestly, this drawing was done in August, the morning it was due, so don't expect much. I have a really bad case of procrastination, and that didn't really change much until now, which is September. I mean, October, which is when you'll see it. But anyways, what is going to be changing is my YouTube schedule. I'll be posting more often. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Can I just pause and say that I was struggling with this drawing so much, especially with this nose right here. Like, what in the oink oink kind of nose is that? I was like really struggling with the 3/4 view because, like, look at that nose. Like, girl, what? But, I really wanted to experiment with my art style this year and try to explore and try new things and my style and whatnot. However, this looks scary. Like, why does it kind of look like the Scream painting? Look at this side by side. Anyways, this class and the classes I've been taking really have me experimenting, stepping out of my comfort zone, and trying new things. I think I just like said the same thing in like three different ways, but you get what I'm saying. So, about this assignment, we had to watch a horror movie. When my professor first mentioned horror, I was like, I was in horror because I'm a scaredy cat and I don't like scary movies unless it's like a monster, like not real, such as like The Quiet Place, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But anything like real that happens in real life, I cannot do it. I will be traumatized and scared to go to sleep. Is anyone else like that? Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But this was not scary at all. Like, even like the murder scene, like the murder right here, this scene was not scary at all. Like, literally, it was like so fake, it was almost like comical because like this movie is old and I guess they couldn't really do that much, I guess. But this movie is called Psycho by Alfred Hitchcock, I think. And basically we just had to draw and summarize what the movie was about in um four drawings, which is kind of hard, but I really enjoyed this assignment. And I'm really enjoying my classes that I'm taking so far. I just I just enjoy what I'm doing. And I feel like that's a good thing. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really should explore trying doing more screen cap movies because I really enjoyed this, because I was a little worried at first, but I actually enjoyed myself, which is always a plus, which is what I'm supposed to do, I feel. But anyways, thank you for watching. Also, thank you for 200 subscribers. Woo! Okay, so this was the final illustration. Yeah, I really enjoyed how it turned out, and I think it turned out good. Also, it had to be in black and white, so I couldn't use color. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye!